Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. As educators, we recognize the invaluable role data plays in improving educational outcomes. Result analysis is important in identifying the strengths and weaknesses of individual students and the entire class. It provides feedback to both teachers and students, allowing them to make necessary improvements. By analyzing results, teacher can identify areas where students need to focus more attention, while teacher can adjust their teaching methods and curriculum to better meet the needs of their students. Tracking test scores can be a way to measure teachers' progress as well. One way to measure a teacher's progress is to track the average test scores of their students and compare them to the scores of students in other classes or even other schools. But remember, it is important to note that the test scores alone do not provide a complete picture of teachers' progress, but other factors such as the teacher's ability to engage students and provide support to struggling students should also be considered. There are different types of result analysis. Number one, comparative analysis. This analysis involves comparing the results of a group of students or a class with other groups or classes to identify trends, patterns, and areas of improvement. Number two, diagnostic analysis. This type of analysis focuses on identifying the strengths and weaknesses of individual students, providing insight into their learning process and areas where they may need extra support. Number three, predictive analysis. This involves using data to predict future performance and identifying potential areas of concerns. Number 4, cohort analysis. Cohort result analysis is a type of a data analysis that examines the performance of a group or cohort of students over time. It involves tracking a cohort of students from a particular point in time, such as their enrollment in a specific school or program, and analyzing their academic progress and outcomes over a set period. Let's talk about the steps how to perform result analysis. Step number 1, collect data on a student's performance, including grades, test scores, and other relevant metrics. Number 2, organize and analyze the data, looking for trends, patterns, and areas of improvement. You can use spreadsheets for this purpose, or you can also use AI tools to organize and analyze very quickly and correctly. I will share some links in the description. Number 3, identify the strengths and weaknesses of individual students or an entire class. Number 4, use the results to make adjustment to teaching methods, curriculum, and other factors to better meet the needs of students. Number 5, continuously monitor and analyze data performance to track progress and identify areas for further improvement. Believe me, result analysis is a game changer in education, enabling teachers to provide personalized learning experiences and foster student growth. By setting clear goals, collecting data, and effectively interpreting it, educators can transform their classroom. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.